Imagine being at the top of your career, world tours, millions of fans cheering your name, and then, suddenly, your body starts betraying you. That's what happened to Justin Timberlake. The pop icon just revealed that he's been secretly battling Lyme disease, an illness that's far more serious than most people think. From crippling fatigue to nerve pain, it nearly derailed his life. Today, we dive deep into Justin's shocking revelation, what this disease really does, and what you need to know to protect yourself. Justin Timberlake's shocking revelation. Justin Timberlake stunned fans during a recent interview when he admitted that he has been living with Lyme disease, calling the experience debilitating. He explained how, at first, he didn't understand what was happening. He assumed the exhaustion and aches were due to his hectic schedule. But as his symptoms worsened, persistent headaches, joint pain, and even cognitive fog, it became clear something was seriously wrong. The diagnosis came after months of uncertainty. Timberlake shared that the illness forced him to cancel multiple commitments, and even during his world tour, he had to push through days when simply getting out of bed felt impossible. His confession has sparked a major conversation online, not just about Lyme disease, but about the hidden struggles celebrities often face behind the spotlight. What is Lyme disease and why it's dangerous? Lyme disease is not just a minor infection. It's a tick-borne illness caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi. When transmitted through the bite of an infected black-legged tick, it can invade multiple systems in the body. Early symptoms often mimic the flu: fever, chills, and fatigue. But if left untreated, it can lead to severe complications, including arthritis, nerve pain, heart problems, and even brain inflammation. According to the CDC, cases of Lyme disease have been rising sharply, particularly in North America and Europe. Experts warn that early detection is crucial because once the bacteria spreads, recovery can take months or even years. Many people ignore the early signs, assuming it's just stress or a common cold, until it becomes a chronic nightmare. Symptoms Timberlake faced behind the scenes. In his own words, Timberlake described feeling like he was running on empty all the time. Simple tasks drained him. On stage, he gave everything for his fans, but behind closed doors, he was dealing with crushing fatigue, stabbing joint pain, and intense headaches. At one point, he even experienced neurological symptoms, brain fog that made remembering lyrics and staying focused harder than ever. Doctors initially struggled to diagnose him because Lyme disease can mimic many other illnesses. Timberlake said he was lucky to catch it before things got even worse. His openness about these struggles highlights just how unpredictable and invisible this disease can be, and why awareness matters. How Lyme disease is diagnosed and treated. Diagnosing Lyme disease isn't simple. Blood tests are used, but in the early stages, they can give false negatives because the body hasn't produced enough antibodies yet. For Timberlake, it took multiple consultations before doctors confirmed the condition. Treatment usually involves strong antibiotics for several weeks, sometimes months, depending on severity. Even after treatment, some patients experience lingering symptoms, known as post-treatment Lyme disease syndrome, which can include fatigue and pain for months. Timberlake revealed he's currently undergoing treatment and focusing on recovery, combining medication with lifestyle changes like proper nutrition, rest, and physical therapy. His experience underscores an important truth. Lyme disease is manageable if caught early, but devastating if ignored. Fans and celebrity support pours in. After Timberlake's announcement, social media exploded with messages of support. Fans from around the world flooded his Instagram with comments like, "Stay strong," and "We're with you, JT." Several celebrities who've battled Lyme disease themselves, like Avril Lavigne and Shania Twain, also reached out, sharing words of encouragement. Many fans praised Timberlake for his honesty, noting how hard it is to speak publicly about health issues when you live in the spotlight. His openness has sparked broader conversations about chronic illness and the importance of self-care, even for those who seem to have it all. Can it be prevented? Expert advice. While there's no vaccine for Lyme disease yet, prevention is possible. Experts recommend wearing long clothing in wooded or grassy areas, using insect repellents with DEET, and performing tick checks after outdoor activities. Removing ticks promptly within 24 hours, dramatically reduces the risk of infection. If you experience persistent fatigue, headaches, or unexplained joint pain after outdoor exposure, don't ignore it. Seek medical advice immediately. Early intervention can make the difference between a full recovery and years of lingering symptoms. So, what do you think about Timberlake speaking out? Did his honesty change how you view this illness? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more health and celebrity updates. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, sometimes the most important battles happen behind closed doors. So always listen to your body.